Bullish Axie endlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $38.49 and $72.69 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $29.93 by 2025. Bearish Axie limitlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.84. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie vastness one of a kind is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in fame. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them truly alterable and habitually phenomenal and exceptional. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and unbelievable. Axie endlessness current cost. Axie endlessness is right now worth $8.55 USD. Axie has moved 0.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $54,298,462. Axie endlessness is right now positioned 54 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $989,458,959 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie limitlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Axie boundlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Axie vastness value forecast 2023. Axie boundlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $12.83. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $11.97 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $10.26. Axie vastness value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Axie limitlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $21.38. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $18.82. Axie vastness value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $29.93 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $27.37 and a low of $25.66 in 2025. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2026. Assuming Axie endlessness effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $38.49, with a base cost of $34.21 and a typical cost of $35.92. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Axe cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $44.47 by 2027, with a base cost of $42.76 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axe has a most extreme value worth of $47.04. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $53.02. On the off chance that Axe figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $55.59. Neglecting to assemble the help Axe needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $51.31. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2029. While Axe is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $59.87 and a yearly cost close above $64.14 in 2029. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Axie Vastness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $68.42 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $72.69, averaging out at $70.13. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Axe cost in 2031 is projected to be $83.81 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $80.39. And so what does the future hold for Axie Limitlessness? The truth will come out eventually. Yet assuming the past is any pointer, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising task. Make certain to watch out for Axe as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie Vastness cost today? Today, Axie Limitlessness is exchanging at $8.55 with a complete market capitalization of $989,458,959. Is Axie Vastness a wise speculation? Axie Vastness ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that Axe is a decent decision of venture. How high could Axie Vastness at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Vastness might potentially reach $11.97 this year. Over the end, what amount will Axie Boundlessness be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Axie Endlessness today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Axe might actually ascend to $108.61 inside the following 10 years. What will the Axie Boundlessness cost